welcome back to my channel, Simple Life of Jolene. How is my simple fam doing? Welcome back. So today I'm gonna do a quick video. So I went back to Bath Body Works and I pick up some home fragrance and some lotion. So if you guys want to see what's in this bag and what I got from Bath Body and Work, well, keep on watching and let's get straight into the video. Yes, my simple fam. So I needed some wallflower, and so yeah, some wallflower for my home. So I went to Bath Body and Work because you know they never can do it wrong and these home fragrance. So yes, so I'm gonna share with you guys a quick little, all of what I got. So the first item I got, let me show you because I already plugged in one. So let's just do the honor. I got this. Hold it, people, hold it. I put it in here so I can remember. So the first one I got was the Fuji white sand. So this is actually plugged into my wallflower plug-in. So this is the Fuji white sand. Oh my god, when I should tell you this thing smell up my whole house. I can smell it from upstairs down to downstairs. It's like beautiful, and it has this like floral, like I don't know, it's like, yeah, Fuji. It make you feel like you're on Hawaii on the beach, just relaxing. Your house just feel calm and just peaceful. Like it's so beautiful. Like anyone piss you off and you have this in your house, man, by the time you inhale it, you forgot what you're mad about, because this is like the thing. This is the first time I picked it up. I actually wanted the sweet pea. When I went in, they said it's not the season. I had to wait. That is more of a spring or summer season spray. I didn't know that. So they only had like for the fall, I guess winter season, these are the fragrant, but I ain't mad at them because this one got me. Fuji white sand. Trust me, people, go grab yourself a bunch. I only picked up, I believe I picked up two. So while I'm at it, I picked up two, so I just show it with you. So this is how it looks like. So I picked up two of them, and trust me, I think I'm gonna go back and pick up some more when they have sale. And they had the sale where you get I believe 1, 2, 3, you get 5 for 27 bucks, which is not too bad, but it could have been better, like 6 for 25 or whatever, but I'll stick with it. It's still not bad. So I picked up two of those ingredients, which, as I said, amazing. Then the third one I picked up is called Rainforest Gardenia. I haven't plugged this one in, but when I smell it at the store, the candle, it smells beautiful. It has a really nice smell, not overpowering. That's one thing I have to say with these fragrances that I pick up. I don't like nothing that's too overpowering. So this one is just a really nice garden smell. Like it's just beautiful. It's like right here they said a white barn, but I have to say it has a rich, nice smoothing scent that I really love. So you guys should check that one, Rainforest Gardenia. This is really good really good spray. And then the next one I got was a champagne toast. This is a fruity plus happy that is put on here. This one I've got it before, really love it. It has that little bit of yes, it's like a toast taste smell to it, like a champagne toast. The scent that they said is really good. It's almost like a vanilla, when you have the vanilla bean kind of smell, but just think of it like the champagne toast. Like it just really smoothing, and like once it hits your nose, like it just stuck there and you just really like the scent, and it's long lasting. So that's one of them that I really like. So grab these for your fall collection if you haven't got it. And then the other one that I got was a raspberry tangerine. This one is like, yeah, it's, as I said, raspberry. It has a raspberry smell, not too loud, as I said, very calming, really good when I smell the candles. So I will see how it is once I burn it. But I have to say, the ones that I pick up, I really like all of them so far. But these ones, gonna have my house smelling like the bomb. If the first one Fuji did it, this one is gonna do the same. So these are the items like I picked up in the sense of the bulk home fragrance. And while I was there, they had a clearance section. I'm guessing this is their Christmas item, and they were clearing it out for 75% off. So I decided to pick up two body, what do you say, body cream. So this one I pick up, and the reason why I picked it up, when I saw it, I thought of Valentine's Day, and I was thinking, this would look really nice for a gift. So if you didn't want to spend a lot of money and you're on a budget and you want to keep it simple but keep it like cutesy at the same time, I thought this would be a really nice body cream that somebody could pick up for their girlfriend, so she can bring it to work, have it on her desk, when she read it, she said, "You're the one," which is kind of cute because I like the message that is given. So this is like so giving me Valentine's Day cutesy kind of thing. And the scent on it, it has a really nice creamy scent. It's very smooth, and let's see what's in it. It said the Ultra Shea Butter Cream, so it has white birch, violet, rose, and a drop of strawberry nectar, which I smell in it. And they said it's supposed to be your confident, sparkling, beautiful. So this one, I love the fact that it has the shea butter and the cocoa butter plus aloe. So this one is really good. I can smell the strawberry. Strawberry is not too strawberry-ish because I think the rose kind of blended with it and kind of calm it down a little. So it has that rosy strawberry shea kind of smell. Really like the package, love it. Although it's cream Christmas, it doesn't look like Christmas because it has the heart on it, as I said. So this would be a really nice gift if you wanted to give your girlfriend or your mom, sister, auntie, whoever. Like, this would be really nice, and then it's not something that you're spending a lot of your buck out of. I believe I paid like $3.49, so this wasn't bad. Okay guys, so the last item I got, I'm looking for it, and I think my son already capped it. So my son wanted some hand cream for school, so I got this hand cream that I will post on the screen so you guys can see it. I'll do a little clip to put in here so you guys can see it, but it smells so good, and also that was on clearance, so it just worked out great where I spent like, so let me look at the receipt for that one. For the man cream, so that one is called I think it's the Blossom Marble Man. The man hand cream. So that one was $3.62, which is not bad too. So, and it smells good. He really loved it. He picked it out, he loved it. And the good thing about it is say man, so he doesn't feel all girly, because you know how these kids, young boys are, they don't want to feel all girly. So as I said, I'll put a clip here so you guys can see it. And that is pretty much it for my quick little mini haul that I got from Timber Bed, that I got from Bath Body Work. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find some home fragrance in this video that you like. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one you're feeling, which one you do have at your house, how you're loving it, and also what I should put on my list for next time to buy, because sometimes you go there, because it's so much there, you get all flustered, you don't know what to buy, and after you smell all of the stuff, sometimes I just find that it all smell the same. So bring a little coffee when you're going so you can smell it, so you can take the scent out, so that way you guys can smell other stuff and smell the right scent. But anyways, I'm babbling on, so I'm ending the video here, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next haul. Bye. Mwah.